Recently, a lot of people have been asking me how to remove the detachable fan cover on the TH28, so I decided to make a tutorial video. And I have to clarify that this tutorial applies to the 40-watt TH28 Magnetic Phone Cooler version purchased from phonecooler.com. To remove the fan cover, simply press the removable fan cover with your fingers, then twist it counterclockwise. It should come off easily. If your fingers feel too slippery or you can't get enough grip, you can also place your whole palm on the fan cover and twist counterclockwise with a little more pressure. That works too. It's easy to do that. But one important thing to keep in mind, after cleaning it, when you're putting the cover back on, make sure to check that the mounting track is clean. If there's any dust or debris stuck in there, it can affect the installation and also make it harder to remove next time. And one more thing, never remove the fan cover while the device is running so you don't risk hurting your fingers. Hope this quick tutorial helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks.